Hello, this is cross Riddle. This is how it's connected together, and these are two pieces just after the print. As you can see, there are small supports here. I'll show you with a knife. Here, a small, only two small supports, and I need to remove them quite easily. Knife. You can see they are gone, and now I need to release these two pins. It's very simple, and I just crush it up. Second one, and then I can turn them with the hand, and they are now moving inside. Long enough so they cannot go out. The same procedure with the next piece. Just removing very simply the supports. These are very small supports, as you can see. And again, just with a knife, and break and release the both pins so they can move. To solve the cross, just move both pins on both sides and put it together, and then remove. It's all together, and you can find how to open it. It's very easy, but it's a secret. Thank you. Bye.